Okay, cool. So what your favorite clothing brand says about you, part 3. Okay, cool. Let's just jump straight into this. The first clothing brand we have is Nike. So if your favorite clothing brand is Nike, I'm automatically assume you only wear Jordans and Air Force Ones. Maybe SB Dunks if you're feeling a bit cheeky, but those are the main two. And your room definitely looks like this. I can't lie, like people that wear Nike are the richest, poorest people I've ever seen in my life. Like they'll be wearing like a $300 Nike Tech fleece with like the newest Jordans, but they work at Subway. I was never too good at maths yet, but even I know that don't add up. These are the type of people that will spend all of their money on the exact same 3 pairs of Jordans and then have the audacity to turn around and say that they're all completely different. Yeah, maybe bro, but that don't change the fact that you sound like a female the more and more you talk about the shoes. Okay, cool. So our next clothing brand we have is Burberry. And there is only one reason why Burberry would be your favourite clothing brand. And the reason is this little print here. I'm not even joking, 99.9% of Burberry's fans only fuck with Burberry because of this. Like, I wouldn't be surprised like 98% of their sales come from this print right here. I guarantee if Burberry didn't own this print, A, they wouldn't be your favourite brand, and B, they probably wouldn't be a brand at all. I can't even lie though, like this print is actually sick, like I'm not even going to cap on that. But that being said, like Burberry fans take this print on a different level. Their shoes, Burberry print, their coat, Burberry print, hat, Burberry print, and before you know it, they're looking like your nan's curtains. That being said, I'm surprised they don't actually have Burberry curtains. Although I do fuck with Burberry on a different level, like I am going to call a spade, and yeah, Burberry fans are just crazy, like just different. People that are into Burberry probably do like mad weird sports as well. Sports like polo, archery, or like jousting or some shit. Okay, so that was enough of Burberry. Our next brand we're going to be talking about is Champion. Alright, so people that wear Champion, like they are the complete opposite to champions. They are losers. They are straight up losers. Like, just because you wear something don't mean you are that, like, if that makes sense. Like, billionaires boys club, like, you're not a billionaire, mate, like, relax yourself. I feel like Champion becomes people's favourite clothing brand by mistake. Someone probably complimented their hoodie like 5 years ago, and that was probably the only compliment they like ever really got. And yeah, like, Champion's just their favourite clothing brand now. I wouldn't be surprised if that compliment was just in their head forever, just on repeat. People that wear Champion are into all of the big sports, but they're just shit at all of them. They're really into football as well, but they've got 2 left feet. They're really into basketball, but they're like 5'0". They're really into badminton, but nah, I can't even lie. They're probably sick at badminton, but nonetheless, still loser. Alright, cool. Last but not least, we have is Supreme. People that have Supreme as their favourite brand probably have the most outrageous, crazy skateboard collection like you've ever seen. But apart from Tony Hawk, they couldn't name you a professional skater. These people will wear the most outlandish, standout, in-your-face shit you've ever seen in your life. And their sole purpose for this is for you to ask them about it. Literally inside their head, they're just hyperventilating, hoping you would ask them about their jacket. Like, this is how it would sort of go. Ah, nice jacket, man. Ah, thank you, bro. It's a Supreme North Face collaboration. It was from 2016. The retail was like $250, but I can probably resell this for like $550. And yeah, like obviously like super rare. And there's only like 18 of these in the entire world. And obviously I'm so lucky that shut the fuck up, yeah. No one gives a fuck about your fucking Supreme North Face collaboration bullshit, yeah. Nice jacket, move on, good riddance. And not only that, like their Supreme collection is just fucking atrocious. Like they'll fully have like a Supreme shovel, a fucking Supreme bike lock, and a bloody Supreme brick. And then they have the confidence to turn around and be like, oh yeah, like in the future it's going to be worth like bare money. Okay bro, good luck with that. Yeah, cool. I don't want to get too technical or whatever, but it's just simple supply and demand, yeah. I don't think in the future there will be much demand for Supreme like it used to be. So a lot of people that have a lot of supply of Supreme, I don't think it's going to sell, mate. I really don't, but that is just my opinion. Obviously, I don't have a future ball, but yeah, that's just my opinion. And just one more thing, like people that fuck with Supreme are just a different breed. Like, I'm not even joking. Like, Supreme could literally release a bag of shit, yeah, and they would still cop it. As long as it said Supreme, they are copying that. I'm not even joking.
Why does everyone want the crowbar?
Because it's a fucking crowbar. Are you fucking serious?
What are you gonna do with it?
Fucking nothing, but I'm gonna own a fucking crowbar now, so that's the fucking shit.
So that is the end of the video. Please don't get offended in it. Like this was just a joke. Like Supreme and Burberry are my 2 favorite brands, so relax yourself. Please leave a like, a comment, and also subscribe. And until next time, I'm out.